Managing location services permissions on your iPhone 16 helps protect your privacy by controlling which apps can access your location information. Here's how it's done. To begin, head over to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. From the home screen, tap on the settings icon. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on screen time. Scroll to the restrictions section and then tap on content and privacy restrictions. In the privacy section, tap on location services. Now choose between allow changes and don't allow changes. Selecting don't allow changes will lock current location settings and prevent new apps from accessing location services. This maintains existing app permissions on your iPhone. If you choose to allow changes, current location settings can be altered anytime, and new apps may be granted access to location services on your device. This iOS feature provides an additional layer of privacy control by preventing unauthorized changes to location settings. Once restrictions are in place, you'll need to return to these settings to modify any location permissions when needed. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.